Below are the fixes that typically resolve this issue. SAR 1, delete the game config file, most common fix. Corrupted config shader settings can cause crashes after the splash screen. Steps 1, press Windows R. 2, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, open the Monster Hunter Wilds folder. 4, delete -config.ini, graphicsoption.ini, shader.cache if present. Launch the game again so it rebuilds fresh settings. Numstar 2, clear DirectX shader cache. Old shaders can break the loading process. Steps 1, open Windows Search 2, type disk cleanup. 3, select your C drive. 4, check DirectX shader cache. 5, click OK, delete files. Restart your PC and launch the game. Now 3, disable all overlays. Overlays often crash RE Engine games. Disable overlays from Steam, Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience In-Game Overlay, MSI Afterburner Rivatuner, then try launching again. So number 4, force DirectX 12 launch option. Some systems crash when the engine chooses the wrong API. Steps 1, open Steam. 2, right-click Monster Hunter Wilds. 3, click Properties. 4, in Launch Options, add, you can see the code in our conversation history. 5, disable ray tracing from config. If RT tries to enable automatically, it may crash before menus load. Open the config file and set. You can see the code in our conversation history. Number 6, run the game as administrator. 1, go to the game install folder, right-click the .exe. 3, run as administrator. And then number 7, install required redistributables. Go to the game folder, you can see the code in our conversation history, install Visual C++ 2015 to 2022, DirectX Runtime Restart PC afterward. Most players fix this crash by deleting the config shader cache or disabling overlays. If it still crashes, tell me. Your Windows version, if the game is on Steam or Game Pass, whether DLSS frame generation was previously enabled, I can give you 3 deeper fixes specifically for RTX 40 series systems that solve this exact RE Engine crash.